Hi, I'm making my very first video showing an unboxing. So, this is the box. Not going to show the address side. See, this is the box. And I'm not even going to tell you, well, you'll know when I upload the video what this is in this box. But let's open it. Let's see. This is a real live unboxing. I was going to do it live, but I really want to wear what I bought tomorrow. So, yeah, I had to get verified. So, I'm so excited. Look! Yes, this is what's in this box. Tieks. And this is my second pair of Tieks. I have a pair that fairly recently bought a little while ago, and so I thought they were overrated. They are really comfortable, and they're not. It's hard to describe. They're not cushy comfortable, but they support your foot. For a flat, they're fabulous. So back to the unboxing. Let's see. Here we have a greeting card. They sent you a greeting card. And it says, Joyce, that's me. Thanks for coming back for another pair. It's a great compliment. We hope you enjoy your, I won't tell you, Tieks. Because if I tell you what it says, you'll know which ones are in the box. So, put that to the side and take out the box with, oh, look how it's packaged. And look at the pretty bow. Oh, this one has, see, it has sparkly diamonds. It's green. Let's just say my sorority color is not this color. So I do have friends that can appreciate this, and I might give it to them. So we're going to put that aside in the box that we just opened. And here you have it, the Tieks. You see it all the time and you're like, really? This is how they come? It is. This is just how the post office delivered it. Even though the next time I will do like my first order, which was FedEx. All right, here we go. I'm going to do it in the camera. I know what's in there. Oh, look, more stuff. That's the one thing. They do send you a number of little things and just, information, how to care for them. Let's take, oh, look! Yep, that's right. Leopard print. Hey, I'm a print kind of girl. I have on a print shirt. An interesting graphic behind me. So let's get these out of the box. Put that one aside. And let's see what we have. We have leopard print teeth. So put one down and pop it open. So here we have it. Here it is. With the famous Tieks bottom. It's fresh leather, just, yeah. And this one is a little different than I have the first pair I got inspired by poppies, and it's a poppy color, which is kind of not, it thought it would be more red, but it's kind of an orangey red, more orange than red, but got those, and they're lined a little different. These are lined, see, you can see the texture in them, and they're a little bit more than the regular. They're kind of have an iridescent, see, kind of an iridescent look, but they are absolutely fabulous. So these are these are oh, and the bottom is black leather, black brown leather, and they're just really, it's hard to really describe it. They just give your foot a good feeling. They're comfortable, they're great, and I'm not going to try them on yet because I'm actually not at home. And um, I just like to try them on. I try them on at home, and I'm wearing them tomorrow. I am. I think these are going to be my favorites because it's just a good look. I mean, you can't go wrong with leopard print. So that's the unboxing. I'll come back later with a review of the Tieks. And thanks for me and my first unboxing. Thank you.